Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to group images or group objects in Canva. So let's get into the video. As always, if you do find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, as it really helps the channel out. Okay, you can see I've got this YouTube thumbnail with the top 10 here, and I'm just going to show you right now what's happening here. I can move this left to right, but let's say you wanted to move these two together. What you should do is move your cursor over to the right, left click, let me just left click around here and highlight both of them. So now you can see that there's two purple lines over both objects, and now what you want to do is you right click and click on group. And now what you can do, you could test this out and you can see that both of them are together. I'll do actually this, another example is this, and the subscribe now. Actually, you know what? A good one is this whole object here. Another way of doing this is just click over on the left and then draw a rectangle or draw something around it so it touches all angles of that object. So you can see, and then it'll pop up with group. And there, now you have group. And we can actually group these two together. So the same concept, you're going to highlight this, and then now you're going to click on group. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.